that what it was?
No, you want turkey, duck, rabbit,
Where is it?
apples, celery, pears,
There's whitefish.
adzuki
Whitefish
beans. Raw is good.
Alert,
Yes.
except for she was, I know it's under the chair.
Uh-huh.
She didn't actually look at me until her head was over the chair.
That's okay.
Okay,
I mean, she was sniffing it, so then.
Good girl, where else?
There you go. Good.
Good girl. Good job. Okay, where else? I don't actually remember what the others are. Oh, there's one there.
Uh-huh.
It's all right, she knows.
There. Yes.
Yeah, Jamie left the cookie there.
Where is it?
It's on the, yeah. Under the step.
Well, she,
Wyatt,
somebody
blue,
dropped
and
it
the
at the end and she got it.
That's not
She's a vacuum cleaner.
No.
Where else? Sweet.
More sniffing rain, less looking.
Alert?
No,
Okay.
that was you.
Okay.
So just, yeah, don't back up too much because you'll get the chair.
Where is it?
Try to move around, but don't look like you're looking at things,
Okay.
right? So now just back up a little bit, back up, just, yeah, there you go. If you could relax your arms, there you go. Now just start to turn. There you go. Maybe walk to the wheelbarrows. But keep focused with her, just, good girl. Good girl. So treat her for that, so we can jump start the searching again. Sometimes I go back to the hide, and my analogy for it is like, you know, the paddles. Get the search start going again. No, it's underneath the black cabinet to your right, under a wheel.
Oh, gosh, that's really far away from that trash can.
Yeah. No, you're totally cueing the trash can.
Oh,
You're like standing right in front of it. You were looking at it. It looked like you were searching it. So treat her for that too. There you go.
well, since I did not know where it was, I don't intentionally.
No, I know.
Girl, where else?
We don't try to. So good. So kind of hang out by the pellet, the green bags. Go towards the green bags. There you go.
Good girl, where else?
There it is.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Where is that? Sorry. Good job.
And then we need the tote, right? Yeah.
Okay.
The tote.
Oh, right, one more.
She just didn't quite get into the corner yet. But she knows. It's like in this area somewhere. Good. So step towards like the vacuum cleaner to the far right. Good girl.
Good girl, where else?
Good. Good girl.
Yay!
So the intent is kind of to take them to the area, not necessarily like try to think of, you know, you're just kind of moving to the area and seeing, it's like dipping a fishing pole in the water, right? Ooh, that looks like a good spot. Let me dip the fishing pole there or cast it. Apparently I don't fish.
That's why I'm not catching any fish. Dang it.